Module 18, Reporting and Expert Testimony. Welcome to this tutorial on reporting and expert testimony in the field of digital forensics. In this video, we will explore the crucial aspects of writing effective forensic reports, presenting digital evidence in court, and the role of the expert witness. These skills are essential for ensuring that the findings of digital forensic investigations are properly documented, communicated, and effectively presented in a legal setting. Let's begin by discussing the techniques used to write effective forensic reports. Writing an effective forensic report is a critical skill that allows investigators to present their findings in a clear, concise, and organized manner. Some key techniques for writing forensic reports include: 1. Structure and format. A well-structured report provides a logical flow of information. It typically includes an introduction, methodology, findings, conclusions, and recommendations. It is important to follow a consistent format and use appropriate headings and subheadings to ensure clarity and ease of reading. 2. Clear language. Using clear and concise language is crucial to ensure that the report is easily understood by both technical and non-technical audiences. Avoid technical jargon or acronyms and provide clear explanations of complex concepts. 3. Evidence documentation. Properly document all evidence collected, analyzed, and evaluated during the investigation. Include relevant details such as acquisition methods, chain of custody, and any tools or techniques used. This helps establish the integrity and reliability of the evidence. Now, let's explore the techniques used to present digital evidence in court. Presenting digital evidence in court requires careful preparation and effective communication skills. Some techniques for presenting digital evidence include: 1. Preparation. Thoroughly familiarize yourself with the evidence and the case details. Prepare a clear and concise summary of the evidence, highlighting the key findings and their relevance to the case. Anticipate potential challenges or objections and be prepared to address them. 2. Visual aids. Utilize visual aids such as charts, diagrams, or slides to help explain complex technical concepts or present large amounts of data. Visual representations can make the evidence more understandable and compelling to the judge and jury. 3. Expert testimony. As an expert witness, your role is to provide unbiased, objective opinions based on your expertise. Clearly explain your qualifications and experience to establish credibility. Present your findings in a clear and understandable manner, providing explanations of technical concepts that are accessible to non-technical individuals. Lastly, let's discuss the role of the expert witness. The expert witness plays a crucial role in digital forensic investigations. Some key aspects of the role include: 1. Expertise. As an expert witness, you are expected to have specialized knowledge and experience in the field of digital forensics. Your expertise is relied upon to provide accurate and reliable opinions on technical matters related to the case. 2. Impartiality. It is essential to maintain impartiality and provide objective opinions based on the evidence and your expertise. Your role is to assist the court in understanding complex technical matters and to provide an unbiased assessment of the evidence. 3. Ethics and professionalism. Uphold the highest standards of ethics and professionalism throughout the entire process. Maintain confidentiality, adhere to the relevant professional codes of conduct, and ensure that your actions are consistent with the best interests of justice. Writing effective forensic reports, presenting digital evidence in court, and fulfilling the role of an expert witness are crucial aspects of the digital forensic process. This tutorial has provided an overview of techniques for writing effective forensic reports, presenting digital evidence, and understanding the role of the expert witness. By honing these skills, you will contribute to the effective administration of justice in the digital realm. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.